Yeah, I'm gonna have another one. It's delish. True to what I said before, it definitely reminds me of Christmas. Today I'm gonna show you how to make French toast with plum and rhubarb. This is a really luxurious brekkie and it's perfect to make for your friends on the weekend. First, I'm gonna start by preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Next, I'm going to prepare my baked rhubarb and plum. So I'm just gonna throw everything in my baking tray, which I've already pre-lined. Starting off with my plums, just pop them all in. My rhubarb, you wanna make sure it's all in a single layer so it bakes nice and evenly. I'm going to add in half a cup of maple syrup. It's roughly half the bottle. It adds a lot of sugar, it'll caramelize really nicely. All of the orange juice, some nice citrus notes. Throw in some cinnamon quill, just 1 stick, and some star anise. I'm just gonna pop it in the oven for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna whisk up our egg mixture. Starting off with 2 eggs, 1, 2. Milk, I was using half a cup of milk. Caster sugar, and about a sprinkle of some cinnamon. And then just whisking it together, making sure we're removing those lumps of egg white till it's nice and evenly whisked. Now we're gonna move over to the stove to prepare our bread. So the pan's on a low to medium heat. I'm just gonna whack in some butter until it's melted with my mini gingham spatula. It's so cute. Now I'm just gonna quickly dunk my bread into my egg mixture for about 10 seconds on each side until the egg mixture is absorbed into the bread. This just makes it nice and indulgent. It'll be absolutely delicious when it's ready. And we're gonna cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's lovely, caramelized and golden. Okay, so I'm using thick cut sourdough bread, but you can use whatever bread you like. Brioche is really perfect for French toast as well. This is looking really good. It's lovely and golden all over the surface and on the edges. Our French toast is ready. I'm just gonna get the fruit out of the oven. Now I'm just going to assemble it all together. We're gonna start off by topping our French toast stack with a dollop of cream on the top. Doesn't matter if this gets messy, it's all about the taste, and I assure you it is amazing. Next, I'm gonna add 2 of our plums. They're beautiful, caramelized and tender, and some of our rhubarb. The syrup has infused into our fruits and all of the lovely cinnamon and star anise flavors have come together. The best thing about this dish is that we're gonna use those juices that we cooked the fruit in to drizzle over the top. I'm just gonna add some of our orange zest over the top for a pop of color and lovely citrus notes, and then I'm gonna dust it with some icing sugar. Tell me that is not a restaurant quality bougie brekkie. I'm so excited to taste this. Okay, try and get a little bit of everything. That is lovely and luxurious. It is sweet, but it's also tart, and I love the spices that have infused through the bread. It's good, I love rhubarb. So tart. I'm just gonna finish this bit off.